Yeah, that's right. And Jackie, we heard from the state governor, treasurer, and attorney general today, all of them agreeing that this move was necessary to keep everyone safe and to stop the spread.
Tens of thousands of Nevadans are wondering how they're going to make rent or pay their mortgage next week.
Nevada Governor Steve Sisolak signing an emergency directive placing a temporary ban on the majority of residential and commercial evictions. Sisolak making it clear that this is not free rent, and the goal is to make sure everyone can continue practicing social distancing, saying you cannot stay home for Nevada if you don't have a roof over your head.
This is not the time to put people out on the streets, which would only result in an increased risk of infection and more strain on our healthcare system.
State Treasurer Zach Conine also announced an agreement for a 90-day grace period on mortgage payments and late fees, saying lenders will figure out a plan with borrowers that won't impact their credit.
We're doing everything in our power to make things a little bit easier and to make sure that when Nevada gets back to work, it gets back to work stronger than ever.
And State Attorney General Aaron Ford says there have already been landlords in the state who have been what he describes as, quote, inflexible during this time.
My office has received many complaints from those who've been, frankly, bullied by their landlords, including a 71-year-old woman who had been wrongly threatened with eviction. Fortunately, my office was able to help her stay in her home.
While folks may be able to get a break on payments, local trial attorney Al Lasso says rent will be due eventually and that you should start that conversation now.
And let them know, I may not be able to maintain this building. I may not be able to pay for the garbage, for the water, for the utilities, unless we work something out and try to come to an agreement.
And if you have any questions or are trying to find resources to help you through this time, the state has set up that website for all things coronavirus related. It's nvhealthresponse.nv.gov. And Aaron Ford, the attorney general there, also asking everyone that if they are threatened with any kind of eviction to immediately contact his office. Reporting live tonight, I'm Austin Carter, 13 Action News.